Yeah, guys, this is my YouTube channel here, Better Master. You can see the name of the channel here, Better Master here, and I posted 3 videos every day for 4 days, and YouTube give me this particular thing. Look at something here. YouTube give me something here. You can see something here. YouTube give me something here, and I'm going to be explaining whether it is good to post 3 times every day on YouTube or not, and if you think it is advisable to do so, fine. If you think it is not advisable to do so, then you can now make a decision either to post more every day on YouTube or to post less. So first of all, you can see something here is within 28 days. You can see it's within 28 days that I've started, and I've gotten this. Like, this is my total subscribers, and this is the number of views that I've got in 48 hours. And this is what the number of subscribers that I've got in you can see it here in 28 days. So this is the number of subscribers that I've got in 28 days, and this is the number of watch time that I've got in 28 days, and this is the number of views that I've got in 28 days. And if you now come to where the thing that YouTube give it to me and you click, you can see where the things start. Is like they even start on the day that I started to post 2 videos. So if you click on it, you can see where they highlight the blue. So you can see that they have highlighted. Sorry, let me go backwards more. You can see here they have highlighted from where I start to post 2 videos every day till the day that I've posted 3 videos. So if you start here to count 1, 2, this place I post 2 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means almost 5 days that I've posted 2 to 3 videos every day, and they have given me this. And see what they wrote. They say, "Whoa, your channel views are up 41% as you publish more videos and got more views per video than before." And you can see they say, "Tell me more." And if I click on where they say tell me more, if I click on it, it's going to open. And when it opens, look at something here. I want you guys to look at what they wrote. Whoa, your channel views are 41% as you publish more videos and got more views per video than before. And you can see what is going on. Well, that's what they wrote, and they put in question mark. Over the last weeks, you have been publishing more videos, driving more views to your channel. On average, you also got more views per video than before. And you can see something about the topic or format of these videos is particularly attractive to your audience. Great work. So you can see what YouTube is telling you is that posting more videos on YouTube is a great way to grow your audience on YouTube. And you can look at how they have pointed this arrow to show me that, oh, my views are getting up. You can see your channel's average views went from above 230 to above 330. So that's what they showed me, and they have highlighted the graph again. And if you scroll down, you can see they have shown me the videos that have gotten most of the views. So they have shown me all that. And this particular channel, I'm just using it as form of like experimental to know like any strategy that is working, so that I can be implementing it on this channel, or be using it to also educate others to use the same strategy to grow their channels. So if you are interested in that, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on post notification bell. It's very important. And in my next video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to know if you have a loyal audience on your channel or not. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.